So hello everyone. At this class, I'm going to discuss some extra questions from the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions. Okay. So let us discuss the first question. Simplify tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, where x is always less than 180 degree. Okay. So you have to simplify this expression. So whenever you are asked to simplify any inverse trigonometric function or write any inverse trigonometric function in simplest form, the first intention, the first target should be how to eliminate the given inverse function. ठीक है, जो बाहर में जो inverse function दिया गया है, that is here tan inverse. So how can we eliminate that inverse function? For this we should know some identity, right? So इसीलिए जो इसका जो एंगल दिया गया है, इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का जो एंगल दिया गया है, इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करना है, so that we will get some identity. Okay? So इसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, tan inverse, so under root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, इसको सेपरेट करने से ऐसा हो जाएगा, under root 1 minus cos x by under root 1 plus cos x we can write. Yes, this is equal to tan inverse. Now what is the formula of 1 minus cos x? What is the formula of cos 2 theta or cos 2x? We know cos 2x is equal to, in terms of cos is 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. So if you know the formula of cos twice x, actually two more formulas are there. So I will not write now because those two are not, no need to use here. So if cos twice x we know, then we can write the value, the formula of cos x also. That is the submultiple angle 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. And in terms of sine, it is 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Yes. So if cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, therefore we can write 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Similarly, if cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2, therefore we can write 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine square x by 2. Yes, from these two formula only we can write these two steps. Okay, if cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, which implies 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. If cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2, therefore 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine square x by 2. Okay, so why I have written these two formulas? Because we can replace 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x by these two values. So tan inverse of, how 1 minus cos x equal to what I got? 2 sine inverse sine square x by 2. So under root 2 sine square x by 2 divided by under root 2 cos square x by 2. Yes, from these two steps only we can write. Therefore tan inverse of root 2 will be cancelled. Sin square x by 2 root over है तो ये हो जाएगा sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, and we all know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So देखो, जो आइडेंटिटी का जरूरत था, सिंप्लीफाई मीन्स और सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म मीन्स ट्राई टू एलिमिनेट दिस इनवर्स फंक्शन. फॉर दिस वी शुड नो सम ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी. सो वो आइडेंटिटी हमें मिल गया. ठीक है, tan इनवर्स ऑफ tan x by 2 we all know which is equal to x by 2. So this is the final answer. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन को सिंप्लीफाई नहीं देके कभी कभी दे सकता है कि राइट द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. सेम प्रोसीड्यूर ओनली. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल डिस्कस नाउ. So the next question is, solve for x you have to solve the given inverse trigonometric function, that is the equation. Okay, you have to find the value of the unknown quantity x. क्या है equation? 2 tan inverse of cos x which is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Okay, you have to solve this equation. The equation is here 2 tan inverse of cos x. This is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. This is solution number 2. Now, before going to solve this question, I want to ask one question. That is, can we eliminate tan inverse from both sides? No, we cannot eliminate tan inverse from both sides because on left hand side 2 tan inverse is given, whereas on right hand side only tan inverse is given, right? So यहाँ पे जो 2 tan inverse दिया गया है, पहले ये 2 tan inverse को tan inverse में convert करना है, ठीक है? For this we should know the trigonometric, that is inverse trigonometric formula, which already I have given. That is the formula of 2 tan inverse x in terms of 10. In terms of 10, because on right hand side also tan inverse is there. So that's why you have to write the formula of 2 tan inverse x in terms of 10. So 2 tan inverse x formula is 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of twice x by 1 minus x square. Okay, 2 tan inverse x का जो formula है in terms of 10, which is tan inverse of twice x by 1 minus x square. So if we know the formula of 2 tan inverse x, then we can easily write the formula of 2 tan inverse cos x. So 2 tan inverse cos x का formula क्या हो जाएगा? Just you need to replace x by cos x. जहाँ पे x लिखा वहाँ पे cos x लिखने से हो जाएगा. That is tan inverse of 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x. ठीक है, just replace x by cos x only. So now I am going to use this formula here on left hand side, not on right hand side, because right hand side में कोई problem नहीं है. हम लोगों को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा. सो 2 tan inverse of cos x can be written as tan inverse of 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x, which is equal to tan inverse of now 2 sec x cosec x. We all know cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so 2 cosec x can be written as 2 by sin x also, same meaning only. Okay, now if we eliminate tan inverse from both sides, तो फिर क्या रहेगा? 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x. We all know sin square x. This is equal to 2 by sin x. So 2 we can cancel from both sides. Even sin x also will be cancelled. तो फिर क्या रहेगा? Cos x by sin x. This is nothing but cot x. This is equal to 1. So if cot x is equal to 1, therefore we can replace this 1 by cot pi by 4. Why? Because we need to find the value of the unknown quantity x. To get the value of x, you have to replace this 1 by cot pi by 4 only. Because on the left hand side, cot function is there. So cot x is equal to cot pi by 4. Therefore, we can write x is equal to pi by 4, which is the required answer of the second question. ठीक है? So like this type of questions we have to practice. Okay. Next question I will discuss now. So let us take the next question. That is question number 3. This one is question number 3. Prove that tan inverse of under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x by under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x, which is equal to pi by 4 minus half of cos inverse x, where minus half is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. ठीक है. सो जब ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन दिया रहेगा तब प्रूफ करने के लिए कुछ सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड यूज करना है. मेथड मीन्स इन द सेंस some trigonometric identity you have to use. Why? Because you can see the right hand side part. The right hand side part is pi by 4 minus half of cos inverse x दिया गया है. ठीक है, लेकिन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सिर्फ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन जो है वो सिर्फ tan इनवर्स है. देन व्हाट अबाउट दिस x, दिस अननोन क्वांटिटी x? ये x में, ये जो यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन में x दिया गया, ये एक्सप्रेशन में x के जगह में कुछ ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी पुट करना है. ठीक है, सो इसके लिए कुछ वैल्यूज, दैट इज कुछ एक्सप्रेशन और सब्स्टिट्यूशन होता है. सो इफ द expression is in the form of under root 1 minus x by 1 plus x or under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then always we need to put x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, once again I am repeating, to solve such type of question, for this type of expression we need to use some trigonometric identity. मतलब x के जगह में कुछ trigonometric identity put करना है, तो इसीलिए मैं एक point दे दिया. Some more points are there. For this question only I have written this one. If the expression is in the form of under root 1 minus x by 1 plus x or under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then always we need to put x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, so if I put x is equal to cos 2 theta on left hand side, because you have to prove this part, right? So take the left hand side part. There is tan inverse of under root 1 plus, replace x by cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta minus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by under root 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. If the expression, again I am repeating, if the expression is in the form of under root 1 minus x by 1 plus x or under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then always we need to put x is equal to cos 2 theta. ठीक है, some trigonometric identity you have to use to solve such type of question. Okay, so tan inverse of, now 1 plus cos 2 theta, is there any formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta? Just now I have written, what is the formula of cos 2 theta in terms of cos? So formula of cos 2 theta in terms of cos is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So therefore we can write 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Similarly, 1 minus cos 2 theta is, if you know the formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta, then we can write the formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta also. This is equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay, so replace 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 cos square theta. So under root 2 cos square theta, that means it will be root over 2 into cos theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta we can replace by 2 sin square theta. रूट ओवर है तो इसीलिए रूट 2 इंटू साइन थीटा होगा डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 2 इंटू cos theta plus under root 2 into sin theta. From these two formula only we can write like this. Okay, so root 2 will be cancelled from numerator as well as from denominator. तो फिर रहेगा क्या, cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, but you have to prove that which is equal to pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x, है ना. तो लेकिन यहाँ पे तो tan इनवर्स को एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा. सो tan इनवर्स को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए जो एंगल दिया गया है यहाँ पे, वो एंगल में भी tan फंक्शन लाना पड़ेगा आइडेंटिटी, देन ओनली वी कैन एलिमिनेट tan इनवर्स, राइट. सो अभी जो एंगल है यहाँ पे cos थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा बाई cos थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा, अगर ऐसा फॉर्म में आफ्टर यूजिंग or after substituting x equal to cos 2 theta, if we get such type of expression, that is cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta, then always we have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Okay, so if we divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta, then we'll get tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta, yes, divided by 1 plus tan theta. So this is equal to tan inverse of, now is there any formula of 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta? Yes, tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. We all know tan of a minus b formula, that is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equal to tan of 45 degree minus theta, because we all know tan 45 degree is 1. Okay, so again I am repeating, if the expression is in the form of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta, then always you have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Okay, So tan inverse of 10 pi by 4 minus theta, this is equal to only pi by 4 minus theta. Yes, because we know tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta only. So यहाँ पे मैं क्या किया, ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन दिया गया उसको एलिमिनेट किया. बट यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4 माइनस हाफ कॉस इनवर्स एक्स. तो चलो ठीक है, पाई बाई 4 तो मिल गया, लेकिन ये थीटा को अभी रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. कहां से रिप्लेस करना है? सिंस वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड x इज इक्वल टू cos 2 थीटा इन दिस क्वेश्चन. So if x is equal to cos 2 theta, therefore we can write 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x. Yes. So if 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x, which implies theta is equal to half of cos inverse x. Yes or not? So just you need to replace this theta by half of cos inverse x. Okay. So hence proved. So this type of questions are important. ठीक है, ऐसा मॉडल का क्वेश्चन रहता है. So ये एक्सप्रेशन और सब्स्टिट्यूशन थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. कैसा एक्सप्रेशन होने से क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, आई विल गिव वन चार्ट. इन दैट चार्ट एवरीथिंग इज देयर. सो जस्ट यू नीड टू चेक according to the inverse trigonometric function what identity you have to use. Okay, next question I will discuss now, that is question number 4. So next question, that is question number 4. Solve tan inverse twice x plus tan inverse thrice x which is equal to pi by 4. You have to solve this equation. That means we need to find the value of the unknown quantity, right? Here what is the unknown quantity? Unknown quantity is x only. Okay, so solution of question number 4. Since here tan inverse twice x plus tan inverse thrice x is given, so tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula you have to use. What's the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? We all know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. That means 6x square, which is equal to pi by 4. Now tan inverse of x is equal to theta. यही फॉर्म में है ये. tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So if tan inverse of x is equal to theta, then we can write x is equal to tan theta. So here x is this expression only. Twice x plus 3x is 5x by 1 minus 6x square. This is equal to 10 pi by 4. And we all know the value of 10 pi by 4 is 1. So just you need to cross multiply it. 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square, or we can write 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So after applying the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, now we get one quadratic equation, that is 6x square plus 5x minus 1. So now you have to find the roots, that is the values of the unknown quantity x. So 6x square, 5x can be written as 6x minus x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So take 6x common from the first two terms. This will be x plus 1. Take minus 1 common, x plus 1, which is equal to 0. That means 6x minus 1 into x plus 1, which is equal to 0. That means x is equal to, one value is 1 by 6, another value is x is equal to minus 1. Now whether the two values will satisfy the given inverse trigonometric equation or not. So x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 is not satisfying the given equation. So that's why x equal to minus 1 is not possible. So therefore the possible value of x is 1 by 6. ठीक है, हमेशा जब ऐसे सॉल्व करना है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, जो वैल्यूज जो रूट्स मिलता है, एक बार चेक करना है कि वो दोनों रूट से इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है या नहीं करता है. ठीक है, सो यार x इक्वल टू माइनस 1 इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइंग द गिवन इक्वेशन. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5 is, if sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, if sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. ठीक है, it is easy question and important also. ठीक है, तो इसको यहां से भी x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो ये भी जो इक्वेशन है sin x is equal to theta फॉर्म में दिया गया है. So therefore we can write x is equal to, x means here sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x, which is equal to sin inverse of 1. Yes, ये sin जब राइट हैंड साइड में आ जाएगा तो वो sin inverse हो जाएगा. Okay, so sin inverse 1, sin inverse 1 can be written as sin inverse of sin pi by 2, because we all know the value of sin 90 degree is 1. Now why I have written this one? Because sin inverse of sin theta is equal to, we all know, theta only, that is pi by 2 ही रह जाएगा. Okay, so sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x, this is equal to pi by 2, right? Now there are some relations, जैसे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी में भी कुछ रिलेशंस मिला था, लाइक sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, देन sec स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा, then cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So like this in inverse trigonometric function also some relations are there, and we all know these relations. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x always is equal to pi by 2. Yes, there is one relation, not only one, there are three relations. Okay, like tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also is equal to pi by 2. ठीक है, so I have written this relation because I am going to use this relation now in this question. Now since sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, so therefore we can replace this pi by 2 by sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Yes or not? Why I have replaced this pi by 2 by sin inverse x plus cos inverse x? Because on left hand side also sin inverse and cos inverse are there. So डिपेंड करता है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में tan और cot में रहता तो then I have to replace this pi by 2 by tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Okay, there are three relations. Once again I am repeating, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, relation number 1. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2, relation number 2. Cot inverse x plus tan inverse x is also equal to pi by 2. These three relations are there. ठीक है, so now cos inverse x we can eliminate from both sides. Therefore sin inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to sin inverse x. Since sin inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to sin inverse x, therefore the value of x is pi by 2, 1 by 5. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this type of question. Question is very simple. You have to remember these relations. These are one mark question actually. Some more models are there, I will discuss. Have a look at the next question. Express tan inverse cos x by 1 minus sin x, where x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 in the simplest form. Okay, express this expression in the simplest form. So simplest form या simplify करने के लिए मैं क्या बोला था पहले, tan inverse x जो inverse trigonometric function दिया गया है, try to eliminate that inverse function by using some identity. Okay, so how can we eliminate the given inverse function? This is our first target. So tan inverse, to eliminate the given inverse function, you have to simplify the angle, this part, cos x by 1 minus sin x. If you know the trigonometric formulas, then you can easily simplify it. So cos x का जो formulas है total 4 formulas, which formula we can use here? We all know the formula of cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Cos x in terms of cos is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. In terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, and one more is there, that is in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Yes, there are 4 formulas. So out of these 4, which formula we can use? यहाँ पे वो पार्ट मेंशन नहीं किया जाएगा, ठीक है. So you have to think about it. So since cos x is there in the numerator, so we can replace this numerator by cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Yes, if we replace the numerator by cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, so what about the denominator part, 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin x को replace करने के लिए यहाँ पे जो 1 है, we can replace that 1 by cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, because there is a relation. We all know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now the question is, why I am using x by 2 here? Why not x only? Because on the numerator I am using x by 2. So angle तो हमेशा सेम होना चाहिए. न्यूमरेटर में जो एंगल यूज किया गया, डिनोमिनेटर में भी सेम एंगल यूज करना पड़ेगा. So that's why I have used x by 2. Okay. So minus. So sin x का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What's the formula of sin twice x? We all know sin twice x is 2 sin x into cos x. So if sin twice x is 2 sin x into cos x, then sin x is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay? So this is equal to tan inverse of cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. That is a square minus b square formula. A minus b into a plus b. That is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is a minus b whole square. That means cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So यहाँ से एक cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो अभी रहेगा क्या? tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So this kind of question already I have explained. So one more time I am repeating that if the expression is in the form of cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta, then always you have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Yes, here also the expression is in the form of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So divide the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. Okay. So if we divide the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, this will be 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. So which is equal to tan inverse of, now 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. We all know tan of pi by 4 minus plus theta. So here theta is x by 2. यहाँ पे जो एंगल यूज किया गया है वो x नहीं है, x by 2 है. So you have to write x by 2 only. So tan inverse of tan x by 2. In order to express any given inverse trigonometric function into simplest form, try to eliminate the given inverse function. For this, some trigonometric identity is required, and you can check tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is equal to, we can write pi by 4 plus x by 2, which is the required simplest form of this expression. Because here you can see we have eliminated this tan inverse and tan. Okay, so this kind of questions are important. Inverse from inverse trigonometric functions chapter. Some more modules are there. I will discuss in the next class. Thank you for today.